What's going on, guys? This is my Troy Bilt 809 garden tractor, but this will probably apply to a ton of different makes and models of electric start vehicles like this. What I was noticing is, I had a new battery, but even if I charged it, and put it back in, and after I drove the tractor for a while, and once I stored the tractor maybe for a couple of weeks or maybe a month, come back out, the battery would seem dead. Here was my fix. I investigated all the cables, and they were a little bit crusty, especially the negative battery cable was crusty, and it's really easy to get to. You just remove this spring clip right here, disconnect the battery cables, lift the battery out, and follow this guy down to where it grounds on the frame of the tractor, and you might have to just replace the negative cable, or just investigate it. If it looks really crusty in here, corroded and whatnot, it's not able to get a good connection to recharge the battery while you're driving it. And I did this a few weeks ago, and it fired right up. So it's worth a shot. I actually replaced the connectors on mine because I have a crimper to be able to do that. I replaced them on both positive and negatives, and I replaced the negative cable as well because I have a stash of heavy gauge cable like that. But you can get it. I'll see if I can find a link on Amazon where you can just replace the cables quickly and easily. But if you've got a handy set of electronic tools and things like that, you can just fix yours, and that should fix the problem. So I was happy to see that. Make sure there's no corrosion anywhere on these terminals. Spray your little anti-corrosive stuff. They make battery spray that helps prevent corrosion. Anyway, and pleased to say that solved my problem because it cranked right up. No problem whatsoever. Anyway, we have other videos about this tractor. I've had this guy for several years, and I did a little restoration project on it. So yeah, I'll put a link down below for the playlist for this tractor. And look through our channel, you'll find all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, motorcycles, motocross bikes, power equipment, all kinds of stuff on the channel. So feel free to subscribe and visit us often because we're always adding more stuff. And this guy has the Intech 21 horse V-twin, in case you're wondering. But I believe this is like a 2003 or 2004 model. But anyway, what I just showed you how to fix will probably apply to a ton of different models of electric start, battery operated, battery charged starting systems. And that's it. Look for the links in the description for our social media accounts, and I'll show you the playlist links that'll pop up as thumbnails at the very end of this one. So you'll have a good day. We'll see you.